Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have More Time Christmas Decoration. More Time Christmas Candle Kit is made of iron metal which is odorless and harmless. They are durable and can be stored in for long time use with realistic appearance. The LED candle combines a gorgeous warm light with an exceptionally long time. Meanwhile provide energy saving while enhancing your house atmosphere. The metal lighted Santa Claus lanterns for Christmas holiday home decorations. It is widely used for holiday party and any celebrations. It will provide pleasure and romance for you and offer you a joyful and memorable Christmas. It is an ideal decoration for your home decor Christmas party and winter. At number 6 we have Licany Christmas Decoration. The static window stickers can be applied on most smooth surface, such as glass door, shop windows, kitchen or bathroom tiles, which look cute and beautiful using these beautiful stickers to improve the atmosphere of the Christmas. These window stickers are made of non-stick detachable and static PVC, which can quickly decorate your windows or glass doors, even mirrors. It can be easily removed and will not leave glue on your window. The spring window clings use high-definition printing technology, clear patterns and bright colors. The large-sized window grills will surely provide you with perfect visual enjoyment and make your home's windows a beautiful scenery. At number 5 we have Fessity Christmas Decoration. This Christmas decorations are made of high-quality environmental protection resin, safe and non-toxic. By using 3D design, bright colors, intimate and unique shatterproof design and red ribbons are presented. Each package is shattered-proof. This is a super lovely personalized Santa Claus family elk family. The set Christmas decorations to make the grand Christmas atmosphere more warm and interesting. It is a Christmas decoration gift that only belongs to you. At number 4 we have All Today Christmas Decoration. This Merry Christmas signs use the classic red and black buffalo plaid design and printed with many Christmas related elements. This Christmas porch decorations are made of excellent 600D polyester Oxford fabric, which is wrinkle resistant, steady and durable. They can withstand the cold winter rainy nights and remain as new under the sun the next day. It can be used again the next year. The front door Christmas banners are equipped with poles and ropes at the top to help you hang them conveniently. And 2 grommets are specially designed at the bottom, so that you can attach heavy objects to prevent them from swaying in the wind or keep them straight. At number 3 we have Vigifhana Christmas Decoration. It is a set of custom-made Christmas ornaments, can be the perfect heirloom to use year after year, generation after generation. These ceramic ornaments attach securely to the tree to ensure that they're cat and child-proof. Also printing is done with the dye sublimation process. At number 2 we have Kavala Christmas Decoration. This Christmas theme design a strong Christmas atmosphere, that allowing you to have a stronger Christmas atmosphere. The good-looking fashion and simplicity without losing the sense of beauty. It is your best choice for Christmas. The Christmas sock can be used not only to hold gifts, but also to decorate Christmas parties. The decorative socks are made of high-quality and durable cotton lint material. The Christmas sock can be used not only to hold gifts, but also to decorate Christmas parties. At number 1 we have Fessity Christmas Decoration. The Merry Christmas hanging banner is eco-friendly high-quality polyester cloth porch sign. It is sturdy enough to use for long time, UV, fade-resistant, reusable and durable. It also can be washed by hand and very perfect for next Christmas use. There are wooden rods on the top and bottom to increase the weight of the Merry Christmas banner. Each banner with hang rope, so you can hang them in designated places easily. There are wooden rods on the top and bottom to increase the weight of the Merry Christmas banner. Each banner with hang rope, so you can hang them in designated places easily. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas decorations for your need.